Chad.
Good morning, Dana. Well, buried in the Senate Intelligence Authorization Bill lies the following sentence. Cross-domain trans-medium threats to national security are expanding exponentially. Now, that may make your eyes glaze over, but what if I told you that means lawmakers are worried about growing threats from UFOs? Congress is now recognizing that UAPs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, may exist.
Congress is responding to classified data because the unclassified data that we had all seen includes fuzzy images that are not very convincing. And I wouldn't expect such a bill to be authorized unless there was much more convincing evidence, which I'm sure there is.
Lawmakers accuse the military of lacking transparency on the issue. The legislative language means Congress is getting serious about compelling the Pentagon to probe UFO sightings.
When we spot something we don't understand or can't identify in our airspace, it's the job of those we entrust with our national security to investigate and to report back.
That concern was on display at a landmark House hearing on UFOs in May.
How would it have to be officially brought to your attention? I'm bringing it to your attention. Sure, this is pretty official.
Sure. So we'll go back and take a look at it. There are probably a lot of leads that we would have to follow up on. I don't think we are resourced to do that right now.
The truth may be out there, but you can't find it without first decoding the otherworldly legislative bill text from Congress. Dana?
Which is why we have you, and we are grateful for it. Chad Program, thank you.